Top 5 programming languages for developer to get a grip in 2022. Number 1. Python. Python is the simplest language that can be learned by beginners. Python is widely used for data science, machine learning, deep learning, and backend for web services. Number 2. C and C++. C and C++ is widely used in Microsoft and Windows. It is a perfect solution for the video game development and can also use for Unity 3D tool. Number 3. Java. Java is an attractive language for developers because of the cross-platform option. Java has complicated code, but the programmers of the languages are highly paid. Number 4. SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language, and it is a special-purpose programming language used for the database. It is an easier tech skill to learn. Number 5. JavaScript. JavaScript is a scripting language often used to make web pages interactive. It is a text-based language written in HTML document and runs through a web browser.